Hi everyone, welcome to Coffee Curves. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a hexagon template without using a compass. And I've used this hexagon template to make these beautiful hexagon shelves, which I have shared in my previous video. So the first template is particularly for the size of this hexagon shelf, and in the second part of the video I will also show you how you can use the same method with a small change and make a template of any size that you like based on the project that you're working on. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to make this hexagon template with an A4 size sheet, because that is something which most of us do have readily available at home, so that way it is easier. So the first step would be to fold the paper in half along the length. Fold it accurately, matching the edges correctly. Make sure the edges are aligned properly. Now open up the paper and fold again into quarters. Turn it around and fold it in the same way on the other side as well. Crease it to get clear and crisp edges. And when you open it up, you are going to see 3 lines. Our next step would be to take one of the edges and fold it right in the center and match the corner with this line. And once you match the edges correctly, fold and crease it. Repeat the same step on the other side as well. Once you fold these two edges, holding this edge, fold it along this line. Now open up the paper and repeat the same thing with the other corner as well, and fold it along this edge. And when you open up your paper, this is what it will look like. Next, we are going to take this corner and fold it along this line. Open this edge and do the same thing with the other side as well. So when you open up all the edges, this is what your paper will look like. And for the final step, we are going to fold these two edges, and on the bottom side these two edges. And when you turn it around, you have your beautiful hexagon template ready. Now if you want to make a smaller hexagon template, all you have to do is again take an A4 size paper, mark 2 inches on the width, draw a line and cut off the 2-inch strip. And now with this paper, we will repeat the exact same steps that we did with the previous template. So if we compare this template to the previous one that we made, since we reduced the width by 2 inches, you will see that it has reduced by 1 inch in size all around. So guys, following this method you can make any size of hexagon template that you need simply by increasing or decreasing the width of your paper. And with that we come to the end of this video. Do check out my other video where I have used this hexagon template to make these shelves. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment. Do subscribe to our channel Coffee Curves and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for latest updates. See you all soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.